Hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So I'll be showing you how you can easily add tags to your YouTube videos. Keyword tags, not hashtags. Tags are those keywords or phrases you use in your videos to help the algorithm push your videos to the right audience when it comes to search engine optimization. Or let me rephrase. Tags are those keywords that people use on their videos to help viewers find their content. You get the gist, you get the drift. Now, if you want your video to go viral, using tags is one of the recommended SEO tricks and techniques that you can actually use in accomplishing that. Some people might tell that tags are not relevant. Trust me, tags are still working magic. Now, the essence of those tags in your YouTube videos is to help people, audience, viewers who might be searching for a particular thing on YouTube. And then when they search for that particular thing on YouTube, unfortunately, that thing they're searching for happens to be one of those things you added in your YouTube video. Trust me, the algorithm is going to suggest your video to that person. I need you to also have it in mind that tags, YouTube tags, don't come with that hash symbol in front of it. You only see the hash symbol if you're using hash tags. YouTube tags can actually be just one word or two words or three words or a phrase. And the good thing here is that you can actually add your YouTube tags to your videos even if you already uploaded the video. So you can actually go back and edit the video and add the tags there, or you can add them while you're uploading the video. So now I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys, okay? And to do that, we'll be going straight to our YouTube app and we'll be using one of our existing videos that I've already uploaded so that we don't make this video very lengthy. Now, this is the video we are going to be using, how to create a YouTube channel with your phone step by step. Now, if you notice, this video has a description, it's been published already, and the audience has been set and all of that added to a playlist. But if you notice the tag area, there are no tags there. The place that says add tags, that is where you're going to be adding these tags from. So now, to add this tag, remember we're going to be using a word or a phrase, and the word you're going to be using or the phrase has to rhyme with the topic of the video or the title of the video, which is how to create a YouTube channel. So now you want to add a tag. I can use something like, click on add tags, click on there, and then make use something like YouTube channel setup, for example. Now that is a phrase that can be understood. You now type YouTube channel setup, you see, and then to write the next one, the next tag, you either have to press the enter button or you put a comma to it. Now let's use the comma, for example, YouTube channel setup. You now put comma. Now it's been added. Without that comma, the tag will not be added to your YouTube video. Okay, and if you keep typing, you're going to continue typing a whole lot of long line that is not leading you to any place. Now the first tag has been added. To write the next tag, you also have to repeat the same process. Now let's use something like how to create a YouTube channel. We can now write how to create a YouTube channel. Let's just put everything in small letters. How to create a YouTube channel. Then go to the end of the write-up and put another comma. You see, the second tag has been added to the video. If you want to make use of the enter button, you can also do that. So let's use something like create a channel in 2025. Create a channel in 2025. Now, instead of now writing comma, we are going to be using this enter button. We click on enter. The tag has been added to our YouTube video. You keep writing. So you can even be like YouTube tip for beginners. You can use YouTube tips for beginners. And we add the tag. So this is how you're going to add tags to your video, and it's recommended that you add a minimum of 5-6 tags and a maximum of 15 tags. Once you're done adding all your tags, please make sure you save it. Click on save. If you don't click on save, nothing has saved yet. You've not added any tags yet on your video. So now let's go back Now let's go back to the video. The description. Now you notice that those tags I added are now on the video. YouTube channel setup, blah 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 blah, and now on the video. If you use too many tags in your YouTube video, maybe you went to go and write 16, 17, 18, the space is going to be enough for all of those things, but it's going to affect the performance of that video because YouTube or the algorithm might think it's a spam video because we went to go and stop that particular video with so many tags. So when adding tags, maximum of 15, and make sure that the tags you're even adding are related to the topic at hand. If you can even stick to just 10 tags per video, it will be better. Things or keywords that you feel like if people should search for it on YouTube, they are going to find that video. That brings us to the end of this video, and if you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you don't get to miss out on any single video. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.